Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Wulandari Saputri. My student ID is 222-321-0075. I'm from class 2C of English Department, and now I'm gonna talk about food security, especially in Banten area. Food security is one of the subjects required by the government. With this, students are expected to be able to capture issues related to food, especially in Banten area. According to Law Number 18 of 2012 concerning food, it is stated that food security is a condition of fulfilling food for the state to individuals, which is reflected in the availability of sufficient food, both in quantity and quality, safe, diverse, nutritious, evenly distributed, and affordable, and does not conflict with the religion, belief, and culture of the community, in order to live a healthy, active, and productive life in a sustainable manner. Food security is built on 4 pillars, namely, first is availability on sufficient food, and the second is access to good food. The third is utilization of appropriate food based on nutritional knowledge, and the last is stability of availability, access, and utilization. Talking about diversity, Indonesia is certainly blessed with diversity in various aspects. Of course, food diversity. However, people do not take advantage of this diversity and instead just rely on one material. An example of this case is the Indonesian people who mostly depend on rice as a carbohydrate material. In fact, there are still many other carbohydrates that have not been utilized properly, such as potatoes and cassavas, and then sweet potatoes, corn, and others. Let's take the example of carbohydrate material, potatoes. Potatoes are recognized as staple food abroad. This is because potatoes contain carbohydrates. In Indonesia itself, potatoes are still considered a luxury vegetable. However, potatoes are delicious and highly nutritious food, also known to contain a number of vitamins, from A, B complex, to C, to folic acid. Also minerals, protein, carbohydrates, carotenoids, and polyphenols. In the body of this potato, there is also selenin, which is known as a sedative, anti-seizure, antifungal, and pesticide. Vitamin C contained in potatoes every 100 gram is 17 milligram. In addition to containing carbohydrates and fibers, minerals that exist in it include iron, phosphorus, and potassium. Now we already know the potatoes have many benefits, and now we will discuss about example of food made from potatoes. A little bit story in my area, in my village. Potatoes are better known as side dish, and then potatoes can accompany rice. For example, food made from potatoes there is always there when riungan. It is called sambal kentang. Even though it is not good if carbohydrates from rice, meat, with side dishes that also contain carbohydrates like sambal kentang. rice and sambal kentang, carbohydrates, meat carbohydrates, and it is not good. It is also known that the availability of Indonesian rice is not sufficient and must be imported from other countries. This is the problem. So, to overcome this problem, it would be nice for us as Indonesian people to slowly start getting rid of our dependence on rice, and we move on to potatoes and make it to as a best dish as well as nutritious staple food. For example, we can start from making sambal kentang or kentang Mustafa or French fries. This is a popular side dish. Maybe dessert French fries. And then the sweet food is donut made from potatoes. Ugh, it is so delicious. You should try it. My mom often makes it for me, and it is so delicious. And so on. So many food there are made from potatoes, and it is not boring, because we can make various food made from potatoes. So, are you interested to try these dishes? You should try it because it is so delicious. More than rice, maybe.